Hello nice people! Welcome to the stream! Yes, we are back on developing. Today I was unsure if I wanted to do the stream for a reason. Because I'm in a sort of how it's called, a bottleneck in the pipeline, so to speak. And yeah, the bottleneck is working on finding a design on Rhea, which today is even more relevant because I got an incredible news. Probably, I got an artist for everything, and so I really want to work on the demo. And also, well, actually, that's not the main information. I think I saw that maybe my game, Invariegated Raid, will end up in Games Done Quick, run by Sushi Kishi. So, would be great to complete the demo, or at least the Steam page before that date. So people that get interested in the game can also fall onto, or find the page of this game. That would be incredible, because it would be a... I don't know which sort of event. I don't know if it's the online stream event, because Sushi Kishi plays with a VTuber model, so maybe it's an online event, which I think... I don't know how much followage it has compared to the others, but still a lot, so I think that would be a huge hit for me, so I really need to thank Sushi Kishi. And hello Nirwanda, welcome to the stream. Yeah, we were talking about speedrun events and bottlenecks of development. So, in synthesis, again, my game will probably... I think, I don't know if it's certain, but probably will appear on Games Done Quick on January. And I really want to complete the game page for this game, so people can find it and I get extra followage, and people can find the game more easily instead of me needing to spam, because I don't know how to market a game. Though the problem is, I got an artist, but I still need to work with Lollo to improve the design of the protagonist, and as for now I'm stuck on the Rhea design. So would be great for me to finish the design as soon as possible, so we can for sure have the page ready before January. So we got some sort of, not really a deadline, but a milestone I really want to reach. Okay, so the idea is to do a short stream so I can focus more on the bottleneck, which is working on the design of the character. For example, I'm taking ideas around. Like, I'm pretty bad at character design, so I'm looking at others and see if I can get ideas. Like, I was thinking of a winter wear, but no, I don't think it fits very well. Also, I was checking pictures I found online. I like the effect on the eyes. I was considering with effects on the hair, but honestly, I don't know how much it would fit. So, like this, I'm taking random pictures around and see which one fits better. Also, this is a hentai game on phone, which also gave me some ideas on, like, this one. Maybe, I don't know if I can show this, but anything, like the stupid ads that appear on YouTube, yeah, I'm taking inspiration from those as well. You got this, man. Thanks. I just have 2 months for it. I think we can do it in time. So, that means now on the streams we'll be working more on finishing the demo. The demo should have been published this month, but now that I realize I want a design and everything, a new art style, instead of the hand-drawn by me, it will probably release just at the end of this year, if we are unlucky on January. And for now, since we have the extra time, we can focus more on polishing the demo. Mainly is we finish the movement effects on the window, and we will need to have the plugin to place the characters. Even if I already did that with Respawn Banter, so I don't really see the need to do it again. We will see. Okay, for now, we should work on... Do I have it ready here? No. Then we will work on the plugin. I made heavy changes on the plugin, structurally. It's the same, but now it uses a class instead of just functions. I think it's, in the long run, more practical. This one. I actually split it into 2 plugins, I don't know why. To have more order, maybe. Wait, where is it? Aha, animated pictures. Now it's literally the same, but now we have classes. A more practical way to categorize everything. So what do we need to do now? I want to implement what we did last time. The weird effects of the screen. Let's see if they still work, because I didn't really test if it worked. I didn't test, actually. Let's see. So it shrinks down, and should be the DVD button later. This one. Random places to go, pattern group. Run. It doesn't work. Because... Okay. Because I called the wrong one. This one. Wrong. Group is... I need to define the group, sure. Group 1. Huh? Error on line 23? Error here. Oh. Reminder for me of the past, using scripting through plugins is the choice. Because you know where the mistake is. You know. So it's just pick. What did I do? Ah, wait, I didn't really... Okay, the function is this. Okay. The problem is... Group is not defined. This one. Yeah, that's right. It's not defined. It's simple, right? I can just do... Now, because now that I replaced, now we are referring to the entire group of the pictures. It's just a change. And here we can just refer to the ID. Group object ID. That's it, right? Or we can just send the object, right? Ah yeah, because it's looping on itself, so never mind. Okay, so this one needs to be identical to this one. Okay, okay. We need to reset. Now we should... Oh, no, the whole... Okay. We should have everything ready again. Oh, come on. So, no, let's remove the breakpoints, please. So let's run it again on group 1. Oh! No, wait, no! It went away! Okay, we got an issue. I love your hand-drawn art. Thanks. A lot of people told me it's great, but honestly, first of all, I'm a little tired of drawing. I just want to make a game, not draw. It's not my vocation, really. And second, I think it still would be way better to have a more professional hand-drawn art style for the game. Also, I really love my projects, so that's why I chose to not take the easy route and just try to go professional where I can. Oh no, I need to look for music as well. Oh no. There is a composer that contacted me on Twitter, but I left them on red. I'm sorry. But I have other priorities for now, I'm sorry. So, we probably got a miscommunication on some side. So this is simple, right? Yeah, because it's just those 4 lines those 3 lines repeating indefinitely. Those 2 define a random position, and this one executes it. So it's relatively simple. Where is the issue then? Well, since it's only 4 lines, we can check them one by one. No. Let's see. We can go on animated pictures and we stop line 23. Okay, we stop exactly there. Wait, wrong one. Okay, shrink down a little. And now we execute it. Go! Stops here, let's see. Move the group to random one, which is minus 49,700. Yeah, no surprise it goes that direction. Why? Why though? The random doesn't matter. It matters the height. The group object height. Wait, let's see here. We cannot see all of it. Here. Height. No, wait, it's original height. Wait, height is a function. Yeah, because this one calculates how space... wait. What did I want to do here? I just wanted to choose a... Okay, yeah, I wanted to choose a direction, but which still contained the entire picture. That's why I calculate the height, which should be... this original width times the scale. Yeah, I get why. I'm not normalizing. So I okay, so the width is literally the size of the picture multiplied by the scale. Divided by 100. That's what I forgot here. If I divide by 100, it's... It's a subtraction, so it's probably about to be fixed. Let's see. So let's run it and wait a moment. Go. Now it's running. Let's see. Random 1, 57, 247. It's right. It's right. Let's go. Oh yeah, it's super slow. And now it's error. Can read properties of undefined. What do you mean? Still on line 22. Okay, the error is literally here. It shows it. That's cool. What do you mean? What do you mean undefined? Group object has to be defined, right? Wait, no, the order is messed up here. The order is messed up. I see now. So this wants group object, move time, break time. But here I call random place to go pattern. What is this? What do I call? I call this function? Huh? I don't know. Okay, no, I set timeout on this one. Then I set break time, which is repeated twice. No, wait, no, it's right. Because those are the parameters of the set timeout. And those are the past parameters. So I don't see the issue. Maybe that's not how you pass parameters? But before it worked. So I don't get it. Why now doesn't work? Let's try again. But we also stop here. No, wrong button. So wait a moment and run it. Now it stops here. Now we can read the parameters. Everything should be right. Move time, break time, and group object is the entire group. Sure. Run 1, 2. Now it waits a little. And now about to run again. But group object is undefined. Why? Why is it? This should run again, but group object is not defined. Did I mess up the set timeout parameter? Oh, we may want to check again set timeout. Because for whatever reason doesn't work. We could maybe have all the parameters in a object or something, but let's see. We already went through this, so I don't know. I don't get it. Here it's the timer. Wait. Only a third one. I suppose we... Ah, this one is right. I don't get it. Doesn't work in Internet Explorer. So maybe on the browser doesn't work. Okay, so we can, I suppose, brute force the solution and have everything in a single parameter. White team. I'm sorry, I have the option to switch everything on black team, but doesn't really work. And it's not like I went on Stack Overflow that often. Okay, then I suppose the easiest solution is this. Oh, you know what? To make it even more compatible to the call, so we can do this. We can have it as an object. So, literally this. And I think it's fine like this. That sounds annoying though. Is there no better solution? We could have an intermediary function, but that would be annoying as well. Why can't we have an extra one here? Oh. Well, we could do with a parameter like this, sure. With a group. I learned this trick and it's pretty useful. This means those can be empty. You can send how many you want in which order you want, but you need to define them. So we do what we're trying to do here. I send a group object as itself, move time as itself, break time as itself. Simple. And here to call the group we should do a similar thing. Group object is this one. Oh, that's the music. Move time is itself and break time is itself. Not the best clean code, but it should work. And now we are sending only one object, only one item which contains everything. Wait. That was not the issue though, right? Because group object was not defined. Are we sure that was the issue? Huh. Let's see. So open, run, wait a moment, run now. We have our parameters, great. Run, no, run, okay, and it's moving. Now. This is undefined. Am I getting crazy or... Wait, maybe we cannot pass objects. Okay, maybe we cannot pass objects. That was the only issue, maybe. We're keeping it like this anyway, because it's not compatible with Internet Explorer. Just in case, who knows. Okay, we need to pass the... We need to pass the number then. I don't see it's an issue. Okay, here. So we call it group. We need to do extra step of getting the group. How was it? I wrote it right here. Picture group, get group. Okay, okay. So the group object. I got it from here. This simply calls the entire class. And I get the group of a specific ID I define. Because here in the class, every time I create an object, I save it in a list based on the ID. So I can do the same thing now. Let's just send the group. And now it should work. Okay, I was wondering why it doesn't work. And the only change I did was, now it's I'm sending an object. So probably that's why. Kinda annoying, but maybe it works. Go! Okay, now it should work, right? Come on, go. No. You're telling me the issue is somewhere else? Huh? I don't get it. Group, I'm sending the group. Huh. I'm getting a little upset. Well, maybe because there is no default one. Though if it doesn't work, it's still an issue, but for now let's see if we set a default one. It's weird it's not passing itself. This is not a solution, but if I think for now it will solve it. Let's see. No, still an issue. Why? I don't get it. They literally have here a default value. This thing very, very puzzles me. Oh, no, no, no. I'm very puzzled. And it's not even a puzzle game, huh? Wait a moment. Run. Now we have group 1. Next iteration. Wait. We have an object. Oh, wait. No. We have an object now. Group. We have... Huh, wait. We are getting as the first parameter all the parameters here. It's a little confusing, but I can see it. So it takes as a first parameter every parameter. I suppose the set timeout is a little weird. I suppose we can return as it was before. All this work for nothing, but at least it should work. Okay. It's fine. Finger crossed. And later we test also if it doesn't work without the default parameters. Oh, welcome, Miumi, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Nice, new people. We are experimenting here on programming. For example, here in this battle, we are trying to use the new function to move the screen, but for now it's crashing. Let's see if this works. It's about to run. Go. It's not moving. Ah. It's not even crashing, so maybe it's fine. And hello, Klaus Batch. Welcome to the stream. I see, I see. I love seeing people interested in seeing the game crash. It's lovely, I know, I know. The issue now, it's not even moving. Why? There's probably something wrong in the call as well. Huh. We are gonna see the parameters again. I suppose that's the solution. Go! Oh no, we got the waifu Russian roulette. Okay, let's go. Stop this one, okay. Oh well, time for my shameful moment. No, proudful moment. What am I saying? Time for some pride. Let me set it up a moment. Okay. We have it now. Okay. Let's run this waifu Russian roulette now. No, no. I don't know if I can show. I think I could have shown that. It was Daiwa. I think I can show that. It was Daiwa Scarlet stretching. Though, to avoid... wait, you can... Okay, I didn't mean to show it, but you saw it. Okay. I mean, look at this Yanfei. Look at this Yanfei winking. That's adorable. I know, I know. Oh, there's also a little heart in the eyes. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, we got our deadly Yanfei and no Daiwa to begin with, right? Right. Oh, yeah, tomorrow we are playing your game, that's right. Today we are just doing a short stream because I want to do other stuff after this one, but we are trying to fix a little thing while we can. So if I run the function again, it's now have group... No, wait, again. I didn't fix this one. I forgot to fix this one. That's why it sends as an object. Okay. Now it's all in regulamentation. Let's see. Call the functions. Way to run. Run. Now it should run correctly. Group 1, move time. Yeah, everything is fine. Let's go. It's kinda slow, but now it moves the other side. Maybe I should play in the meanwhile. I don't know. It's very slow though. Also, is it me or it's going in the same direction? Ah, there was an issue. Let's see. Cannot set property of undefined. Rel X 420. Huh. Let's see line 420. I set the parameter of pick object build. This when I move pictures. This should happen all the time. Let's see. Let's do something simple. If pick object build undefined alert, we show the ID. Okay. Weird that it crashes. I think it has to do with this thing, but I don't know how it's related. Also, it's very slow. Very slow. We might want to check every iteration. Not even slow, it goes in the same direction. It has to be a bug, right? Let's see. So we have this one again. I'm waiting for it to run. Go. Oh, my trigger, I'm sorry. Let's see if the random is the same. 400 and 300. This one is definitely different, right? Let's run it. It still goes in the same direction, So I don't get it. Here, it runs again. Move time, break time, group 1, let's go. It's 48, so it should go above then. It should go up. This is the random 2 for the Y. So it goes up. It doesn't, so there's an issue. There's an issue. I think the issue has something to do with the changes I did, so I suppose we need to work on that, huh? And probably on the same lines, for under 20. We can put one here. Let's see now. Run again. Yeah, it's definitely going in the same diagonal direction. Maybe I should investigate that. It probably has to do with I don't know. But let's go there. Let's see. Can I? No. Here, line 437. This one is simple, it sets up a destination. For now, let's see if it reaches it. So we set up the parameters. This should definitely go up. Wait. It did not call this function, it's a picture move group. Let's stop here. Okay, now we got the coordinates, which are x and y. At this point the y is pretty... we don't know where it should go actually. Maybe I should wait for the next loop. Gnosia style. Let's see. Random 2 and random 1. 2 is 100. Okay, it's gonna go up then, probably. Here we define the parameters. The scale is the same. Here we get the scale. For now it works. We say, here. I made a new function that sets up a movement for a group. Let's see. Those are the starting information. As we can see, the y is kinda similar. It will go up by 10 pixels. That's it. The target is this one defined here, so it's right. The time is 0 because it's the starting time, or the actual time. Everything seems right here. Let's see what goes wrong then. Here. Wait, did not call this one? Wait, it did not call the next event. Weird. It should stop here. Don't tell me it doesn't... Don't tell me... no. It should stop, right? If it goes here. No. I'm confused. What's the point on debugging that? At least it's pretty straightforward here. There's not a lot of code. I just update some values here. Here I get how much distance I should cover in one direction. I should probably console log it at this point. The y. So I can get how much it increases. After all, I didn't really check the formula to see if it works. Let's see. It's not undefined, right? I'm getting confused. Let's stop, sure. But we can see it's going in the same direction. It's slightly drifting left, but that's definitely not what it should do. Wait, it's going up. Huh? No, before it was crashing though. I don't see why now it's working. Also, definitely wasn't supposed to go out of bounds. Huh, I cannot see! I cannot see, that's unfair! Would be cool though for the game to throw a little with that. Also, another issue. If the battle ends, the thing is null. But I think this is simple. We just say don't. Let's see. Here, right? It's picture move group. Let's see. If group object is null or movement is null, we stop. This should be simple. Still, I don't get the erratic pattern it has. Maybe we should check this function. Get frame move. Should be right here. Wait. Frame move? That's of the... Wait, no! Frame move is not a parameter of the movement, it's a parameter of the group. No, wait. No, never mind, it's right. Oof, for a moment I thought I got it. It's this one. Return this target and the parameter, which could be x, y, or scale, minus the starting parameter. Staying as relative as you can. And I don't see the issue. I'm very confused. Let's try again. I also don't get why it's not stopping where I want it to. No, not now. Ah. It's running frame by frame. Wait. Wait, what if... I'm stopping the wrong function. Let's see. Because here definitely calls this now. I should call easy picture move group execute, which is this thing. Exactly this thing. We can go even alert here if we feel fancy. Right. Run it. Ah, never mind. Now it's here. I don't know why before it didn't work, honestly. We got some issue in the execution, maybe. So, this could have the issue right away. Here we're getting the parameters from the ID. Great. The group object is fine. Movement is fine. And we got the start and target, which sounds legit. X should move a lot horizontally. Let's see how it works. I should probably save the parameter here, because now the X is 569. And we should get the difference. Let's see. This goes in milliseconds. Wait, milliseconds? Something is wrong. Yes, something is wrong. Wait. There is a cooldown. There is a cooldown in milliseconds here. But this one counts on game frames, which is different, so they go very offset. How do we manage that? We can just do instead of the timeout, we set the timer. Like we did before with the screen pattern. Where is it? Wait, are you not calling yourself? We need a not set timeout, set. No way, the timeout is a single timer, right? So maybe it's fine. It's calling himself at the end. Here. Yes, here. Do we even have an end function? No, we don't. So I'm still more confused. Yeah, then this one is unnecessary. We need to call ourselves later. I think this will bring more issues though. We need an object to do this. Why they don't have a simple function that was the stuff normally? Wait, maybe we can make an... Okay. I kinda see half of the issue. Though for now we investigate on the main issue, right? Because it's not moving in the right direction, I feel like. Wait, maybe it does, but gets swayed. I think it does, but gets swayed by this. So maybe I kinda get what's wrong. Still, why before it worked and now it doesn't? That's weird. So this one should be deleted, cancelled, forgotten. And we only call this one. We call it once. Let's see if it works. Now maybe it's more reasonable. No, not you. Because it's only a single call. Go. And you can see it's not going in the bottom left, so that's probably for the better. Though it's absurdly slow. We should change the default parameters. Also, this one is completely useless now. So, move. What were the default parameters? Did I change those parameters? I think I did. Move time way is faster. Break time, we place a small break, sure. We're not even using it, okay. Oh, good saucer team. Okay, go again. And run it. Wait, not defined. Pattern group. Wait. Group. Sure, let's go. And let's see. Okay, it goes. It goes. So for now I can call it one by one, right? Call it, goes there. Call it, goes there. Okay, okay, now it works flawlessly. Though I need to call it manually each time, which is definitely not what I want. Also, I'm die. Still ghost is an issue. Huh. Let's see where. Multiple places. No, only this. Line 60. Reading X. From 232. Where? Animated. Okay, here. I can do here a similar thing. That if the parameter is not there, ref object. Yes. No, wait. Here gets the reference of. Yeah, it's right. If ref object is undefined, return. Okay. Cancel did make a controversial tweet. It was half of an Italian joke because it's a game about gates. And gates in Italian is cancello, which is the same of cancelling. So, it's unfortunate that I cannot use this joke in English as well. Though at least in English we can have the joke of gatekeeping, I don't know. We take a loss, but also a win in the significance of the word gate. Also, I really wish I will not be cancelled on Twitter sooner or later, because I suppose happens to everyone. Well, everyone popular at least, so I should be safe actually. What was I doing? Yeah, it works, but it doesn't call itself. The thing we want to do is, when it stops, I don't remember where it goes. Probably here. When it stops, checks if it has an end function. If it does, it calls it. Although we don't have the parameters for it. We could do this though. I have a evil idea. Well, not really evil, but here. Easy picture move group, and we should. Okay, we are calling this function, and there is the facultative parameter of end function. I might add another one, and function params. Okay. So now we are also adding this one. We are adding an extra parameter, and function params. In this way, we can say, oh yes, when you finish, execute a function with those parameters. So sounds simple enough. So, and the function is this one. Random place. Let's keep the normal name, sure. Even if I really want to make it work for all sorts of objects. For now we are keeping like this, sure. It calls itself. And then we send the parameters. And function params. Which will be again group, move time and break time. We just need to define those. Group, move time, break time. Okay. And maybe it's counterintuitive, but the move time is in game frames and break time is in milliseconds. I don't have any other better ideas for this though. In frames, break time in milliseconds. I know, it's stupid, but that's a simpler solution. Okay, so we pass the parameters. Here we go. How do we pass parameters? Wait, how do we... Which is the better way to send every parameter from an array? I think I know. Wait. So, I call the function with the parameters. Movement. Let's see. Movement and function. Params. So, I remember if I do like this, dot 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 array, I will display every element individually. I don't know if it's the case, but we can try it right away actually. Function letters A, B, C. Alert. A plus B plus C. Easy. I'm pretty sure it works, but to avoid the problems of beta testing later, we are doing simple math now. So, letters 1, 2, 3, let's see. 6. Okay. I could have spared the alert, but so now if we say let's say R equal 333 or 334, we can say letters, and we display the full array R. It works! Okay, that's how it works. We send every parameter once. If it has not any parameter, it's a problem for later. Okay, so this should work. When the movement ends, it calls itself again. Okay. Finger crossed, and let's see if it works. We still have to call it manually, but the important thing is that works. Run. Okay, it's moving. Now let's see. Oof. Issue. Let's see. On 484. Literally here. There's a problem here. The problem is also in line 18. What does it do? 18 is the class of a... Huh. Here it defines the parameters. Ah, because it's trying to read the width for some reason. Whatever reason. I was sure this would work. Come on. Movement and function parameters should be right. Huh. Come on. Also, why are you reading the other parameters? Huh. Listen, let's try a forced method. Let's see for now if it works like this. We send all the three parameters like this. 0, 1, 2. I know it's pretty ugly, but for now we need to see if it works like this, okay? Later we could consider improving it, but as long as it works, I don't see the issue, huh? Go! Now let's see. Again. So the issue is not that. Good to know. Wait, it's... wait, it's... line 18 of the other code. Never mind. Here. So, the group is not there? I thought it was sent as a parameter, though. We could do the same thing. We stop right here. Criminal scam. No, not the water. Okay. Other than the music. Let's go. I should check which is the right volume for the music, though. Because maybe as well that it's not hearable on stream. Okay. It runs first time. And first time it works. And it goes. Now it stops. Let's see. Group 200? No. You're getting the wrong parameters here. Move time is the break time, and break time is break time. Sure. Makes sense. Makes sense. More like make it make sense. And function parameters are group, move time, it's right. Group does not even change. Also the break time is not executed because we need a wait as well. But here we have parameter 0. This one is 0. It should be the right one. I'm very confused. It's like the code is not even listening to me. It's like it's reading from another code which is similar to this one but wrong. I don't get it really. That's what programming is sometimes. Or at least what it feels like. Okay, now execute. It's moving. Let's wait it for it to finish. And now it's here again. Wait, did not run. Wait, no, I need to put the memo. It's online 480. Okay, memo here. Also, you did not go on a new line. Kinda. Though again, I'm pretty grateful for this debugging system I discovered like 3 months ago. It's pretty peak, honestly. I didn't know it existed. Otherwise, I would still be in the Stone Age for that. Okay, now we are where we want. In the end function. Parameters are 1, 200, and 1000. It's right. Then why? Why you pass the wrong ones? I don't get it. No! Because the first parameter should be the function name we are calling. Ooh, I messed up. Those should be the parameters after the first one. The first one should be... that's why maybe it didn't work. Okay, the first parameter should be movement and function. It should be the function we are calling. So I suppose we can have the ... thing later. For now though, let's see if this is enough to make it work. Spoiler, I'm pretty confident it works now. Sorry for spoiling, I know it's pretty unprofessional. Go! It stops. Attack, it reaches, now it runs again, and this time should go. It's going again! There's no pause. Okay, we have it working now, boys! It's working! Now it's moving with free... Wait. Another issue, it's saying the picture doesn't... yeah, okay, I know this issue. It's... I'm doing weird tricks with the gate, which is above and now appears below. Though this creates those sort of issues, I see. I can just do it... it leaves. Here. Return. Oh, not read stream default control. Return, I said. Also, I by mistake brought a return. Ironic, huh? Return it is. Okay. That was the main thing. There is another thing to do, but... Instead of calling, I should set a timeout. Wait, now I realize I'm calling the function twice. Weird. We are just doing a set timeout. We call the function and all the parameters. Oh wait, the wait we also have. The wait is this one. And then the parameters. Should work, right? Didn't test this one, but would be cool if it did. I did a thumbs up, but it was not visible. Let's see. Okay, for today I do not care of making it fully work. Not fully appear. I just wanted to manually be inputted it. I just manually put the function. There's a wait. Okay, we have it. It reaches. It waits. Moves again. It moves. Okay, we have it pretty greatly. We may want to change it in the future to have like it prefers further places and stuff, but for now it works, and that's what it matters. Let's see if we can win in this. I was expecting to be a little better for this game, but okay. Oh, wait, why the text is in the wrong layer, huh? Doesn't matter, we died. Okay, and we still got a bug. Well, sooner or later they will not appear anymore, right? That's the point of debugging. Line 60. No, because it calls add value from here. 2, 3, 4. We are doing this and maybe we stop. 2, 3, 4. Wait, I already had one here, right? If object is undefined, return. Why are you still going on? Let's see. Obj ref? No, definitely. Ref obj. I don't know, honestly. We may want to have a breakpoint here to see why this thing is still not getting called, but for now, I did what I wanted. There's definitely some fixing, but we have 2 months to do all of this. So hopefully we'll be fine. Okay, I think I will stop. I just wanted to do something short of an hour. I suppose I did something more. Let's see. We can try to raid. We have a decent amount of people streaming, huh? Well, some people. There is someone streaming Baba. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Xiodere, I don't know, I don't think I know Xion there. They just stream Baba, so I think that's enough, right? 3 viewers. I want 4. 4 is the good number for raiding. We can try with this, okay. Well, thanks a lot for coming by then. Tomorrow we are gonna stream on Critipedia, the game from Clowns Bash. Sorry for pronouncing it wrong. And Saturday and Sunday we play... Well, it's in the ending screen, okay. Okay, thanks a lot for coming by. I said the next appointments and we'll see ya whenever it happens.